Smart Scout versus Jungle Scout. You need to watch this video because I have compared both of these tools, both of this software, so you can make a better conclusion before buying any one of them. So let's compare both of them. Smart Scout offers you a suite of tools designed to assist Amazon sellers with product research, keyword research, and sales analytics. On the other hand, it is also used for the same purpose, widely known and widely used for Amazon sellers of product research, keyword research, and sales analytics. Features and Smart Scout includes features such as product database, product tracker, keyword research, sales analytics, and more. It's provide insight into the product demand, which is a hotcake which is selling over the Amazon, competition and profitability, helping sellers make informed decision, wise decision for their business, for their products. Smart Scout may offer unique features or functionalities that differentiate it from other tools in the market. Pricing, it's of course you need to go and visit their both of this website for the pricing. And if you are a bigger corporation or bigger enterprise, then they will give you a custom pricing for your business. Jungle Scout offers a comprehensive set of features including product database, product tracker, keyword scout, and sales analytics and more. It also provides you valuable insight into the product demand. So both, as you can see here, if you read, you'll get to know that both of these softwares provide you the same thing. There is a slightly differentiation between their, the tracking, their information, their analytics. So it has a strong reputation in the industry and it is trusted by many Amazon sellers because Jungle Scout has been in this niche, in this business for a very long time or period as we compare to the Smart Scout. Jungle Scout also provide, it's not free, you need to purchase that software, that tool to use it, and it will also give you a custom features or custom pricing. So, if you just come to the conclusion while deciding between the Smart Scout and Jungle Scout, consider your specific need, Amazon sellers, and compare the features, pricing plan, and reputation of each tool. You need to, take a review from the other Amazon sellers that which softwares they use a lot. And yeah, so this is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful.